Uploading your own image to this custom cutting board is easy. Let's go over some tips for getting the best engraving possible. Make sure your recipe is written on a plain white background. If your recipe is on lined paper or has smudges, it might be best to trace over the original recipe on a clean piece of paper. Use a dark pen or marker to ensure your writing shows up clearly. Then, take a picture of your recipe and crop it to ensure that the background is just plain white. Choose the orientation of your cutting board. Finally, upload your image and adjust the sizing and position until you are happy with how it looks.